Subscribe to our channel for good children videos and press the bell icon for more Islamic informative videos. How to use the washroom the right way. A lesson for kids. Ashok can start scene. Mahnoor rushes towards the washroom, looking urgent. She feelings the door open and runs in, patter in trunk. Suddenly, the screen turns red. Aloud. Stop. Sound plays. The screen freezes. Narrator, serious tone. Uh-oh. Mahnoor, did you forget something important? Mahnoor, confused, looking around. Huh? What did I do wrong? The right way. Ayyat appears, smiling. Ayyat, Mahnoor, do you know the Sunnah way to enter the washroom? Mahnoor, Sunnah way? There is a right way? Ayyat, yes. The Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us. Enter with your left foot. Say this special dua before entering. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal khaba'ith. Oh Allah, I seek your protection from evil and impure beings. Do not talk inside. Use your left hand to clean yourself. Exit with your right foot and say, Ghufranaka, oh Allah, forgive me. Avoid rushing in without saying the dua. Then the same boy enters properly and feels safe. Narrator, these small things bring big blessing and protect us from harm. The emotional shift and call to action. A strong ending. Mahnoor, realizing, oh no, I never say the dua. I will do it this sunnah way from now on. Ayyat, smiling, that's great. Let's practice. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal khaba'ith. Children voice repeat after Ayyat. Comment, mashallah, if you follow this sunnah and share this video. Narrator, but wait, do you know the big mistake people make after using the washroom? They can ruin their Salah. Watch the next video to find out.